Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. Here is the long-awaited Eagle Black Box mystery box. And so let's go ahead and jump right on into it. Hopefully you've seen my other videos of my other boxes that I have got in. And so first time seeing it, let's go ahead and open it up. And as you can guess, you're going to get one of these beautiful papers. And right off the top, I'm liking it. I don't know what it is yet. Okay, it's a Sensei. They're pretty fun to throw. Really cool design. Ho 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 ho! Got the soft EXO origin. I love the origin. These things throw so well. 171, so it's a pretty light one. I think most of my origins are about 180. Then we have the astronaut. Not thrown an astronaut. Super understable is what the numbers represent. Then, ooh, that one's pretty cool. Kind of like some of my other ones, but it's a Mentor at least. Mentor is a pretty good disc. Better than the Rockstar and some of those others. Oh, yeah. Look at that Instinct. That is the Forge one. That is beautiful. And we got a, kind of hard to read, 173. That's a really good weight as well. Pretty sweet looking. Then we have an Essence. That's a pretty cool Essence. I don't know, a lot of people are saying these are the Lux plastic. Not really certain. I've not seen anybody say for certain what that is. Got a cool gold stamp. 169, so that's pretty lightweight. That'll be a good turnover disc. Got an X out. S-Line DD3. That is sweet. Those things are hard to find today. X-Line DD3, brand new. Then we have, I'm guessing it's our first Rainmaker. Ooh, look at the coloration on that one. That one's sweet. This is the reason most people are buying this. This is that brand new Eagle Rainmaker, very similar to a P2. And underneath the flap, we get another informational sheet about Eagle's Rainmaker. And we get a gray one. That one's not near as fun, just being honest. But still pretty cool stamp. Nice looking. Let's see if they put anything else in the bottom. Ooh, yeah. Everyone's going to put that on their car. And then a little Eagle pin and the world famous Jolly Rancher in the bottom. So again, I'm going to throw this in. We got Rainmaker number 1 with the beautiful piece of paper. I really do love these little trap doors. They're pretty fun. If you can put it in right, that's helpful too. Trap door in, Rainmaker number 2. That really cool blue on there. We got that X out DD3 S-Line. That's sweet. Then we have the Essence. Then we got our Instinct. That's that Forge. It's kind of a little poppy toppy. It is very cold today, so I wonder how flexible some of these will be when it heats up a little bit. Ohio is not necessarily fun in January. Then you have the Mentor, the Astronaut, the Origin. Then you also have a Sensei, and they do have a discount on this as well, so I will block that out because don't want you to get that until I have an opportunity to use it. So there you go. Pretty awesome box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have lots of other boxes out there, all the different openings from this year. And so please watch, comment, subscribe if you have not. I have a lot of other videos as well on home repair, on car repair, how to make your own disc golf cart. You name it, it's out there. Thank you guys again for watching. Have a great day.